Hello buddies, it's me Anu, your math enthusiast from channel Class 6 Maths with the ongoing chapter of fractions. I'm sure everyone is learning from my videos, so keep watching and keep learning. So those who haven't seen my previous videos or want to revise it, then you can check it out on my channel with the fraction playlist. Today we are going to do a very important topic of fractions, that is simplest form of a fraction. A fraction is said to be in the simplest or lowest form if its numerator and denominator have no common factor except 1. Now, what is a factor? Let me quickly summarize it. Factor is a number which divides the given number exactly without leaving any remainder. That is, remainder is 0. But how do we do it? We find the HCF of numerator and denominator and then divide both of them, which results in the simplest form. Let's quickly learn it with the help of an example. Let's learn in detail how to simplify the fraction, like how to find the factors of 36 and 54, then how to find their HCF, then how to divide them with the numerator and denominator to find the lowest form of a fraction. First of all, let's find the factors of 36. So 1 and the number itself are always the factors. So 1 into 36 is 36. 2 into 18 gives us 36. 3 into 12 gives us 36. Then 4 into 9. Then 6 into 6 gives us 36. So all of these are the factors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Then 9, 12, 18, 36 are factors. So let's write them here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Then next we have to find the factors of 54. Let's find them. 1 and 54 gives us 54. Then 2 into 27 gives us 54. Then 3 into 18 gives us 54. Then we have 6 into 9, which gives us 54. So the factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. So this was all about factors. Next is common factors, right? Common factors are the factors which are present in both the numbers, right? And we can also clearly see that the factors like 3, 4, 6, they are exactly dividing the number, leaving no remainder, right? So the common factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are present in both the numbers 36 and 54. But the highest among them is 18, HCF, highest common factor is 18. So last step is we are going to divide 36 with 18, numerator, and then the denominator 54 also with 18, giving us the lowest form of the fraction as 2 over 3. I hope everyone is clear about it. So class, if you have any confusions or doubt, please don't hesitate. Just type it in the comment box and I'll definitely revert back. So now let's move ahead. Let's practice some try these questions from NCERT book. So the first question is write the simplest form of 15 over 75. So here the highest common factor is 15. So I will divide 15 divided by 15 numerator and denominator 75 also divided by 15. So the answer is 1 over 5. I hope everyone is clear. If anyone wants to know how I found the HCF, I'll quickly write it here. The factors of 15 are 1 into 15, 3 into 5. So the factors were 1, 3, 5 and 15. Right? These were factors of 15. Talking about 75, let's write the factors. 1 into 75. So then it was 3 into 25 factors. Then we have 5, 15, right? So these were the factors of 75 and among them the highest is 15. So we are dividing both numerator and denominator with 15, giving us 1 over 5. Now, B part is 16 over 72. In this, HCF of 16 and 72 is 8. So, we are going to divide 16 with 8 and then 72 also with 8, giving us 2 over 9. So, the simplest form of 16 over 72 is 2 by 9. I hope everyone is clear. Moving forward to the next part. So let's do the C part, 17 over 51. So here the HCF is 17. So let's divide the numerator 17 with 17, denominator 51 also with 17, giving us 1 over 3 as the simplest form or lowest form. And the next part is 42 over 28. Let me explain you all one more method of finding the HCF, that is using prime factorization. So here we are going to write the prime factors of the numerator 42 as well as the prime factors of denominator 28, right? So first of all, starting from 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 into 7 is 21, 7 times 1 is 7. So 28, 2 times 14, 28, 2 times 7 is 14, 7 times 1 is 7. So here we are going to write the factors of 42. Factors of 42 are 2, 3 and 7. Then factors of 28 are 2, 2 and 7. So here we can clearly see the common factors. So this is the highest common factor, 2 into 7, that is 14. So I'm going to divide 42 with 14 and also 28 with 14, giving me the answer 3 over 2. I hope everyone is clear. Moving ahead to the next question. Let's do the E part, 80 over 24. So first of all, let's find the HCF of 80 using prime factorization. So 2 into 40, 2 into 20 gives us 40, then 2 into 10, 2 into 5, 5 times 1 is 5. So next, prime factorization of 24. In this we are dividing the given number with only the prime numbers, right? 2 into 12 gives us 24, 2 into 6, 12, 2 into 3, 6, 3 ones are 3. So now the HCF is going to be the product of common factors, that is 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. So 8 is the highest common factor. So let's divide 80 with 8 and 24 with 8, which gives us 10 over 3. So this is the lowest form in which the highest common factor of 10 and 3 is 1. So moving ahead to the last question. So question number 2 and the last question is 49 over 64 in its simplest form. So class, how we are going to find it out whether the fraction is in its simplest form or not? We're going to find the HCF and we are going to check whether the HCF is 1 or not, right? So let's find the prime factors of 49. So it is 7 times 7 is 49, 7 times 1 is 7. Moving to the factors of 64, we're going to start with 2. 2 times 32 is 64. 2 times 16 is 32. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. So if we observe these numbers, we do not have any common factors. So here the HCF is 1. So the answer is yes, the fraction 49 over 64 is in its simplest form. I hope everyone is clear about it. So it's quite easy. Find the HCF and then we can decide, right? So that's it for today, class. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. I'm sure all of you are gaining interest in it and are learning a lot from these videos. So keep watching, keep learning. Please do subscribe my channel for more such content. Thank you. Bye-bye.